doing our pit walk at Winterslam 2026 in St. Peter, Minnesota. This is a national wheelman qualifier show for the limited weld full size. There's also going to be stock full size, stock half-ton trucks, weld half-ton trucks, and MWFA. A lot of cars here, so all the registration spots were full, but let's take you on a little tour of the field today. We're gonna go look at the sedang I saw earlier, or chopped, I should say. Windy, very windy. Otherwise, it's a nice day out. We cannot go in impound, unfortunately. We here at Grinding Gears, we are just here recording the show. We will get it out on YouTube as soon as we can, but we are just recording the show. We are not live streaming. Hopefully some year we will get to live stream this show. It's been amazing the last few years I've been here. Let's keep going into the pits. I'll try to find it. But there's a lot of tough looking cars and trucks here. Haven't spoken a little bit, but again, we're at Winterslam in St. Peter, Minnesota. We got stock full size, weld full size, stock half tons, weld half tons, and MWFA. Show starts at 1 o'clock. To clarify, we are not streaming the show, we are just recording. We'll try to Facebook Live some heats depending on the weather we have. It's pretty windy right now. like we found another wagon. Mr. Joey moment. Well, we didn't find the purple chopped wagon, but it's somewhere back in there. It might have driven to the impound while we were walking. But here, as we finish up our pit walk, just let you guys know, show starts at 1. We are just recording this show, not live streaming. We'll probably do one live streamed heat on Facebook. I'm getting a lot of requests from the drivers to do some weld truck, so let us know what you guys think, but otherwise probably see you later for weld trucks. But stay tuned for some real shorts and little snippets.